Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the Power BI July 2025 AI Data Schema update. And if you are not familiar with the prep data for AI in Power BI, I recommend you to watch video on prep data for AI first. You will find the link in the description box. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So here you can see the prep data for AI. So I will click on the prep data for AI. And here you can see simplified the data schema. This is your AI data schema. And this data schema, I will tell you what is this simplified data schema. If you don't want anything, any column, any table, any measures to be analyzed by the Copilot, you can exclude from here. Once you will click on this, you will see all your data model, data tables, measures, and columns here. So the first update which I wanted to tell you, for example, this is my major table, and the profit is a sensitive measure, and it is like hidden from the data table, data model. So the power this simplified data schema already excluded from the model. So if the somebody will ask Copilot to analyze on the profit, the Copilot will not respond actually. So it is already excluded. Now, the another changes actually. So from here, if you want to include or exclude, you can do that. If I don't want Copilot to analyze on the order count, I can easily remove it. Actually, I have a detailed video, so I request you to please watch that video and you find the link in the description box. So this is the one changes. So if it is hidden, then it will automatically remove from the schema, AI data schema. Now, other thing, if you have so many tables actually, so many tables, so within the table, lot of columns. So it is very difficult if you want to exclude some particular column. It is very difficult. You have to scroll and look into the which column you want to see. But here we have a small table and less column, so we can see easily actually. So they have provided a search also. It was not there earlier. So for example, if I wanted to remove the discount column, I can easily search from here and I can exclude this. And when I will clear this, you can see the discount column is excluded. So these are the two updates for July 2025 for AI data schema. And that's all for this video. And I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.